Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and for some weird reason, a lot of people think that Patch Tuesday updates for June were the last one that we would receive, which is false information. And I've seen actually quite a few videos of channels that pretend to be top-notch, know-it-all Windows guys that apparently know nothing. So where does this come from? So we talked about it in the past, and there's a thing that is coming up for Enterprise, which is the auto patch system or the auto update or auto patch that Microsoft wants to implement if, of course, companies opt in, which means that Enterprise could have updates to their system, drivers, Windows, and all of that, and even software through their own systems in a way that would make it more like a smartphone update, but you don't really see it. It's kind of in the background. It's slipstream. It's updates, but you don't really notice there's updates. So that is supposed to start being tested and used for some enterprise systems in July, and a lot of people took that as, oh, so we're not getting Patch Tuesday and updates anymore because that auto patch system is coming in July. Absolutely false. First of all, that auto patch system does not remove Patch Tuesday. They're still there. It's just a different way of patching systems, and it's enterprise only. Regular folks, we're still getting Patch Tuesday updates on the second Tuesday of the month, and the C updates for the bug fixes and so on. Nothing has changed. So whatever you see on the web, do not believe that you had the last Patch Tuesday just happened. It's not the case at all. Patch Tuesday is something that's continuing, as well as the C-band updates for the bug fixes. So I don't know. A lot of people are get wrong information and share it like crazy, and start telling everybody, oh yeah, well, no more Patch Tuesday updates. This is so cool. Not at all. And even Enterprise with the auto patch system still gets Patch Tuesdays. Just it's going to be a little more invisible, if you want, in the way that Microsoft's going to deploy it. So Patch Tuesday is here to stay, and there is no change to anything with the different updates for Windows. Once again, for those that wonder how it works, Patch Tuesday updates always the second Tuesday of the month. It rarely has been delayed over the years. It happened maybe once or twice that it was delayed, but it almost never happens. When that happens is because something at the last minute, they notice a really big bug. And then you get a second update in general for Windows. And this could happen anywhere from a week to 2 weeks after Patch Tuesday updates, depending on how long the testing phase continues with that. So sometimes it happens that it actually, the bug fixing updates can actually appear at the beginning of a new month. So, there's no fixed day. It's not like Patch Tuesday where we know it's the second Tuesday. The C updates for bug fixes for Windows 10, Windows 11 are really happening when they're ready to be launched and tested. So these are the two types of updates we get every month. So yep, these are still there, and they will be there for a long time to come. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.